my son and I are off to the beach and the park this morning, just the local one, so it's not like a big expansive beach or anything, but it should be nice. It's really hot though, so I'm glad we're leaving now. It's just after 10. I think we'll pick up some snacks and stuff on the way, so let's go. Look at this, passion fruit, $56.99 a kilo. And we've got our own vine at home. We're saving hundreds of dollars. All these pre-packed vegetables, all sliced up for you. No work required. We've got kimchi at the normal supermarket now. Excellent. Thank you. We try one of those?
This one.
Yep. Teddy bear popcorn. Yep. Okay, we've got to do an urgent toilet stop. Luckily there's a toilet in here. They've got all these cool pictures from the local school kids when you go down the escalator. Well, we're not at the beach, we're back at home because my son's changed his mind and he wants to just hang out at home and play games, which is fine because it is so hot, and maybe we can go and play outside in the shade in the garden. I think that'll be fine. I'll put your sushi on a wee plate for you. I hope the sushi's nice.
Mommy, where's the sushi?
It's coming now. Well, since we're home and I didn't have any breakfast, I'm going to make a sandwich with this gluten-free bread. Just going to butter it. These Gouda slices, this is the most expensive way to buy cheese, but it's just the convenience. It's so good. What do you rate your sushi out of 100? 10 out of 100? Well, that's not very good. And some pastrami. And I got this the other day, Sidecar Mayonnaise Smoky Habanero. It's actually got quite a kick to it. Doesn't look too bad. It's quite crumbly. I think it curbed my craving for a sandwich, so that's good. Well, there's no more sushi left, that was it. Do you want something else? Look at this bruise I got from camping, from crashing into the camping chairs, and one over here too. Nasty. We planted this lime tree when we first moved in here, which is probably like over 5 years ago. And it's only in this season that we're actually getting limes, and it is so exciting. Same with this hydrangea plant, which I planted maybe 3 years ago. Now it's only just been flowering, although it looks quite dead now. What one's your match?
The gicker.
Good boy.
The gicker.
Is that what it's called?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You didn't say match first.
I did say that.
Okay, I'll let you have that one. Well, I lost that game, so we're going to go and get an ice cream.
Are there any red ones?
No red ones. I can see green, I can see orange, I can see white.
A rainbow.
No, because it's missing some colours, isn't it? What colours is it missing?
A lot of colours.
Yeah. Yum, yum, yum.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lime and pink.
How's the ice cream? Thumbs up.
Go away, fly. Not flies.
That's right. What about a puzzle?
Mummy, I'm going to let go now.
Okay.
We have to number 8. So you were right, Mummy.
Okay, so that has to hit that.
That's when I landed on 1.
It worked.
We did